Dump a NumPy array into a CSV file. How do I dump a NumPy array into a CSV file in a human-readable format?
NumPy.savage saves an array to a text file.
You can use pandas. It does take some extra memory, so it's not always possible, but it's very fast and easy to use. If you don't want a header or index, use to_csv/path/to/file.csv, header equals none, index equals none.
ToFile is a convenient function to do this. The man page has some useful notes. This is a convenience function for quick storage of array data. Information on endianness and precision is lost, so this method is not a good choice for files intended to archive data or transport data between machines with different endianness. Some of these problems can be overcome by outputting the data as text files, at the expense of speed and file size. Note: this function does not produce multi-line CSV files, it saves everything to one line.
As already discussed, the best way to dump the array into a CSV file is by using .savage ... method. However, there are certain things we should know to do it properly. For example, if you have a NumPy array with dtype equals np.int32 as and want to save using savage as, it will store the data in floating point exponential format as you will have to change the formatting by using a parameter called fnt as to store data in its original format, saving data in compressed GZ format. Also, Savage can be used for storing data in .gz compressed format, which might be useful while transferring data over network. We just need to change the extension of the file as .gz and NumPy will take care of everything automatically. Hope it helps.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.